I asked the world's biggest tech YouTubers what stock I should invest in and dropped $100,000 day trading it for the next week.
This video is not financial advice.
Okay, enjoy.
All right, I'm with Justine right now, and she's about to give me a stock to pick right now.
How about Microsoft?
Seems fitting for the environment. All right, we're going with Microsoft. All right, I'm here with UrAvgConsumer, and he's about to give me one of his stock picks.
I mean, it's crazy hard right now because I just saw all of the stuff that Apple just announced. So I feel like I gotta go for Apple.
All right.
I mean, we're here and the headset's around the corner. So I'm sure there's a lot of hype around that and should see numbers go up.
All right, I'm here with Check Me Out.
All right, I'm gonna say, I wanna say Apple by default, like that's a given, but I would also say Samsung and Amazon.
All right, cool. I'm about to invest. If I lose money, bro, it's on you.
Hopefully you won't, because I don't know anything about stocks.
I'm with Brian right now, and he's about to give me a stock to pick right now, too.
Gonna be a tough one. I mean, let's go with Apple. You can't go wrong. In general, you can't go wrong.
We got Apple again. I'm with Sarah now, and she's about to give me a stock to day trade.
Okay, so I'm going to give you a personal one that I am pretty invested in because not only are they a sponsor of my channel, but I love them so much. Squarespace.
Squarespace. If I lose money, it's on
Don't
you.
sue me, bro.
If I lose money, it's on you.
Okay, no, not financial advice.
I'm here with MCon, and he's about to give me a stock to day trade as well.
All right, the thing that I want you to day trade, just to keep it safe, is Main Street Investments. All right, that's a safe bet.
I'm taking this financial advice. If I lose money, I'm suing you, I'm coming to Dubai
I'm not
sue
even
you.
from this country. You can sue me all you like, man. My lawyers are in Dubai, man.
Now, we were supposed to have the King of Tech in this video too, but he was running late to catch an Uber, and I really wanted him to be in the video, but I decided to use Google as his choice because he was at WWDC, an Apple event, with a Google phone. All right, so now that we have their stock picks, I have a little secret to tell you. I don't know the first thing about day trading or option trading, so I spent the next couple of hours searching the deep, dark web on how to day trade and learning how to option trade. I'm back. All right, so do you remember when we used to trade cards at school or trade with toys? Like, say you'd have a blue car and like your friend had a red car and you liked the red car more, he liked the blue car more, so you guys swapped. Day trading is kind of like that, but with money. So imagine I have a magic bag right here, and inside this bag I can keep many seashells. Some of them are big, some of them are small, some of them are shiny, some of them are colorful. Every morning I get to go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach. Let's go swimming.
And fill up my bag with some more seashells. But here's the twist. I have to give the beach keeper some money every time I go to the beach and take some seashells. But the beach keeper is a weird guy. He changes how many coins or dollars he wants every single day. Some days he wants 1 coin for the same seashell, and some days he wants 3 coins for the exact same seashell. You could say he's pretty moody, and his mood fluctuates a lot, and the prices fluctuate with his mood. So as a smart person, you're gonna go to the beach on the days where he wants less coins, on the days he's in a good mood where he wants less coins, where you get to keep the same amount of shells that you pick up. Now here's the cool part. After you leave the beach with your shells, you can go to your friends and trade these shells for some coins. Now, just like the beach keeper, some days your friends may give you more coins for the same seashells, or some days they may give you less coins for the same seashells. But the aim of this game is to give fewer coins to the beach keeper so that you can take home more shells and trade these shells for more coins with your friends. This is basically day trading, and you can do this with stocks and crypto. Essentially, you want to buy things when they're cheap and sell them when they're high. Buy low, sell high. Okay, now let's talk about options. Imagine you're buying a ticket to a carnival that comes to town, but only comes to town once a year. Now let's say I have my boy Tommy with me, and Tommy's kind of a magician. Tommy has this crystal ball, and it can kind of tell the future. It tells some things, but it doesn't tell everything. So I can ask Tommy's crystal ball if the carnival will come to town this year or not. So my boy Tommy comes to me and tells me the carnival is coming to town in a couple of months, and he has a ticket, but he's not sure he can make it. So he offers me a deal. He basically makes me a special promise where
you promised my son that you're going to give him free Robux.
he says, if I give him 5 candies today, he'll let me buy his carnival ticket for 50 candies in the next 2 months. Now, why exactly would I go through with this deal? I would go through with this deal because if the carnival comes to town and tickets go on sale, the tickets may be worth more than 50 candies. It may go to 100 candies, 250, 150, 300. It might just keep going. But with Tommy's promise, I'll only have to pay 50 candies. So I give Tommy 5 candies today to keep the option to buy this ticket later on for 50 candies. This is called an option call. The 5 candies that I gave Tommy is known as a premium. And the 50 candies that I'm gonna have to pay later on is known as a strike price. But remember, I have the choice. So if the carnival doesn't end up coming to town, I don't have to buy Tommy's ticket. But I won't get my 5 candies back because that was the price I paid to have the option to buy it later on. So in a nutshell, option trading is basically like buying and selling special promises. And in our examples, we just change the tickets and candies to stocks and money. Now, because I'm an idiot and I'm probably gonna mess things up day trading, I don't know how to read the charts. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be asking ChatGPT for some predictions of the stock price. So basically, I'm giving ChatGPT the history of the past week stock prices. And based off that, I'll be having ChatGPT predict the stock price for the next day. And I'll be doing this every single morning. I'm fully betting on ChatGPT to give me the right price. So I have zero accountability here, you feel me? If I lose money, it's not my fault. But if we make money, it's my fault. Okay, so this is how we're gonna go about this week. What I'm gonna be doing is day trading $10,000 per stock every day. So since we have 7 companies, it's gonna be $70,000 a day after doing hours of research on day trading and what day traders do.
Oh, it went to 0!
So I can live and be a part of the role. I found out that they wake up at 5 a.m. Already 12 something in the morning. So that means I have less than 5 hours to sleep. I gotta go hit the bed. My boy, his bullets right there waiting for me. Gotta go to sleep. I'm a day trader now. I live my life as a day trader. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow, 5 a.m., sharp, get ready, and I'm gonna dominate these markets. All right, so I just got to the gym and the market just opened. So I made some purchases. We bought 16 contracts of Apple for $10,000. We bought 44 contracts of Amazon for $10,000. We bought 23 contracts of Microsoft for $10,000. And then we bought 500 contracts of Square for $10,000. But I sold them right away because nothing was moving. Then we bought 62 contracts of Google for $10,000. And then we bought 200 contracts of Maine for another $10,000. All right, I'm currently on the way home from the gym and we sold everything for the day. And so today we have lost a collective total of $2,335. We were up $160 on our first trade on Apple, and then we were up $88 on Amazon, but then we lost $230 on Microsoft. We lost $400 on Main Street Corp. Then we lost $465 on Squarespace, and then we lost $14.88 on Google. So for the first day of the challenge, this is not looking too well. We're already down $2,000. Hopefully ChatGPT will become a little more accurate and it does its job a little bit better.
There's a fire, they say there's a storm, and you have to go through that for more success to see paradise. I said, I'm ready.
All right, I'm on the way to the gym right now, and the market just opened. So I bought $10,000 worth of Main Street. I bought $10,000 worth of Apple, bought $10,000 worth of Microsoft, $10,000 worth of Google, $10,000 worth of Amazon, and $10,000 worth of Squarespace. So $10,000 every single day, and hopefully today's gonna be a better day. All right, I just got out of the gym right now. I sold Apple for $465 of profit, and then I sold Microsoft for $400 profit, and then I sold Google for $288 of profit, and then we sold Amazon for $175 profit, and I didn't sell Squarespace yet either. We're down like $900 on that. I wanted to see if we could bounce back on it maybe tomorrow. So I didn't want to get rid of it and take a loss. But I left Main Street Investments for the night. I want to see how it goes for tomorrow because it wasn't moving too much. Right now we're up $840 on it, but hopefully tomorrow we continue that gain. So the total profit for today is $1,244. Not bad considering what we did yesterday.
Life, there's roadblocks. Don't let nothing stop you. We ain't stopping.
All right, it's 5:45 in the morning right now. I'm on the way to the gym. When the market opens at the gym, I'll be making some trades. I asked ChatGPT already what the prices would be, so I'm going to make option calls based off that again, of course, because I don't know how to do technical analysis. Hopefully, we have some good trades. All right, the market just opened, and I made a purchase of all of the things that I was supposed to buy. I bought Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Maine. I bought them all, and Squarespace, and we'll see if we end up making a profit today. I just checked up on this stock, and Amazon is actually up almost $2,000, $1,945 to be exact, so I just sold that right now, and so that's a cool profit for the day right now, and I'll go check up on the other ones in a bit. I checked one more time, and Google actually was up $1,900 as well, and I just sold that, so I think we're up almost $4,000 just off those 2 stocks today.
I just can't stop winning.
Today's a good day. I think we just made up for our losses. I was literally about to drive off from the gym, decided to check the app one more time, and we are up almost $1,500 on Microsoft, so I just sold that right now. So we're having a really good day today because we just recovered from all the losses that we made from 2 days ago. Yeah, hopefully the next 3 days are gonna be better. All right, so in total today we are up $4,360. We are back above $100,000 again. We are now at $103,000. Yesterday we were at $97,000, so we're actually up $5,000 in total. It's midweek right now. We're up $3,000. It's not bad. Hopefully this week continues to to get better. Also, so I'm spending about $10,000 per trade. Can't be exactly $10,000 because the contract isn't going to be flat out. So it's around there. It's about like $9,900, $10,100, but it's in that range. So each trade is $10,000. Some of them are not option calls because there's not enough market movement. So for Squarespace and for Main Street investment, they're just normal stock trade. I'm putting in $10,000 each. I can't do option calls for Main Street investments or Squarespace because there's not enough traffic or volatility for those stocks where people want to day trade option calls. I'm currently on the way to school right now, and I just bought $10,000 worth of Apple, $10,000 worth of Microsoft, $10,000 worth of Google and Amazon as well. We still have Squarespace and Main Street left over from yesterday. Hopefully those perform better today and we don't end up selling on a loss. All right, I just got back from school, and the total we made today was $2,674, and that's our best day yet so far. So we were up $928 on Apple today, $660 off Amazon, $470 off of Google, $360 off of Microsoft, $211 off of Squarespace, and $45 off of Main Street. So it's not bad. The first day was looking kind of rough, but it seems like we're coming back up now.
We getting cash every day. Getting cash every day is like, it's more of a metaphor that say like we experiencing our financial gain every 24 hours.
Tomorrow's our last day of trading, so hopefully we're able to hit it even bigger, but we'll see. I didn't sleep all night. I was up studying for our exam.
I'll go to bed at 6 a.m. and I'll wake up 1 minute before that at 5:59. Minus 1 minute sleep. That's what I do. That's how I do it. I don't need to sleep for weeks.
Today, Squarespace and Main Street had a $0 profit or no loss either. We sold Apple for a $672 profit, and we sold Google for a $660 profit. We lost $336 on Amazon, and we took a $531 L on Microsoft. So it's not bad. We took some L's, but we ended the day with a $400 profit. So it's not bad. At least we made some money. Okay, so now it's the end of the week and we're able to check in for how much money we made. So in total, we made $6,409. In first place was Apple. So shout out to UrAvgConsumer and Brian Tong. We made $2,961. Next up, we banked off of Amazon. So shout out, Tech Me Out. We made $2,500 off of Amazon, $2,531. And then we came home with one band off of Microsoft. So shout out iJustine as well. So next up, we got Google. So shout out Marquez. We banked off a cool $1,800 off that, $1,828 to be exact. Now, for the losers. We lost $789 on Squarespace. So thank you, Sarah, for pitching us your sponsor. Squarespace, you better send us some money. And my boy, M-Quan, the safest option. We lost $1,500 on that. $1,500. Maybe that just isn't a stock to day trade. It really didn't have that much volatility. So, you know, I'll give you that. Maybe it's a good long-term hold. But yeah, in total, we made $6,409.
Get your money up, not your funny up.
So overall, it was a good week. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Want to collaborate with me? I'm honored that, you know what I'm saying, that you even think about working with me, and I appreciate it.